They want to make sure they have one touch on their phone to turn off all of the lights. They want security on their phone to make sure that they didn't leave a stove on or they locked the front door. Putting together that spa-like bathroom is oh so important. Make sure you have a tub that people can actually fit in. I've seen some tubs that I'm like, I don't know, you choose like the top of your body or your knees. Like you can't. Anyways, hey everybody, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, special edition, luxury properties. What are the desirable features of a high-end home? Let's get into it. Of the 7 high-end features that buyers are looking for in today's market, number 1, of course, is going to be those breathtaking views, right? Especially here in New York City, I've found that a lot of buyers who are coming from outside of the city, they want that classic, big skyscraper view overlooking Central Park or overlooking the skyline, but they want a view, right? They want what quintessential New York City means to most people. Number 2, buyers want that designer kitchen. I mean, you need the waterfall marble or stone. They want the high-end appliances, and they're gonna get that. So when you are thinking about what to do maybe in your home, you want to stay within the high-end features, you definitely need to focus on that kitchen. Even the cabinetry, right? The slow close, everything. A lot of people will also have 2 dishwashers or 2 ovens so that they can host for maybe some bigger meals at home. Be sure to put that in there. Number 3, a spa-like bathroom. Okay. New York City. It's busy, it's a little crazy. Whether you're working here or visiting here, the truth is you want an oasis when you get home. So putting together that spa-like bathroom is oh so important. Make sure you have a tub that people can actually fit in. I've seen some tubs that I'm like, I don't know, you choose like the top of your body or your knees. Like you can't. Anyways, so make sure it's spa-like, right? You want to put special features in, heated floors, dual sinks, especially if it's in the primary, a nice big tub with space. A lot of people actually are putting the tubs in front of the windows. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The showers, having the rainfall shower, everything that can make it feel more like a spa, because let's face it, that's what we need in order to not go crazy here in this city. Number 4, outdoor living space. Now, I know that's not necessarily something that you can add in, but if you do have that space, make sure that you have it completely built out, right? Make sure the pavers are updated. Make sure you have drainage that's updated. Make sure that you have plantings, irrigation system. That's what today's buyer is looking for. If it's allowed, they want space to be able to cook outside, host, have tables and chairs. If you have a backyard, buyers are not just looking for grass. They're looking for a mixture of the pavers and a little bit of yard, right? So plant that garden, help buyers to see what they want to see. And if you are a buyer, I bet you know what I'm talking about. You want to see that beautiful backyard or roof deck that's already planted. All you have to do is bring your toothbrush to the home and start hosting. Number 5, smart home technology. This is a really big one now. Everybody sees technology in everything that is upgraded from years before, even 1 year before. And that's what buyers are looking for in their homes as well. They want to make sure they have one touch on their phone to turn off all of the lights. They want security on their phone to make sure that they didn't leave a stove on or they locked the front door, right? These are the types of things that buyers are now looking for in their homes. They want that home to be smart, right? Look inside of your refrigerator to see what you have before you go to the grocery store. Anything you can do music-wise to climate control in a home, that's one of those beautiful high-end features that buyers today are looking for. Okay, number 6, buyers are looking for things like wellness areas, home gyms. So many people got used to working out from home, or this brand new world that we have full of apps and Pelotons and Peloton treadmills. You know, you can really have everything at home, and there is definitely a buyer who is looking just for that. They want to be able to maybe have a meditation space at home, or an entire meditation or yoga room. I've seen apartments with their own ballet studios in it. You just want to have a space where buyers can really make it their own for their own wellness and their own well-being, whatever that is for them. Number 7, last but not least, and this is something I'm probably seeing more in buildings, wine cellars and tasting rooms. Yes, let me say that again. Wine cellars and tasting rooms. Now, if you're looking to put a wine cellar in your home, we do have a couple of vendors that we've had clients use, and they do a phenomenal job. But if you don't have the room for that, and maybe you're sitting on the board of your building, highly recommend it. Think about it. You have a lot of people who purchase wine, good wine, and they want that climate control for their wine. And maybe they don't want to take up a room in their apartment or even a small room in the apartment. So buildings that offer wine cellars and tasting rooms have definitely bumped up their price for the elite of the elite. Now, that's all I have for you today. So if you're thinking about what to do with your home and you want to follow some of the trends, make sure to at least put, 5, 6 out of the 7 in there. Maybe you don't have outdoor space, no problem. Make sure that the building has some great stuff. Until next time, be sure to like, subscribe. Below, my contact information is there as well in case you have any questions. And of course, if you know anybody who is relocating to New York City, we at the Wheelock team would love to be your global resource of choice. Bye, guys.